Hello, my name is Matthew John Pearson from Tokoroa. I am Mr. Fix-It. Any type of CD player, record player, tape player, amplifier, preamplifier, valve amplifier, valve radio, power supply, computer, desktop, laptop, server. If you don't want it, I'll have it. I'm currently looking for anything that people don't want, like CD players, tape decks, record players, amplifiers, speakers, all sorts. If you don't want it, I like to have it. You can message me on WhatsApp Business. Homebrew Radio is my business. I'm going to launch as soon as I save some money to buy the transmitter. If you like this video and the videos I'm making, hit like and subscribe. The more people subscribe to my channel, the better it is. Hello, children. I'm about to make another story in addition to the one I made about a kid called David and his mum in Tokoroa and David Morris, the fire chief. Ciao for now.